Hi, I'm Take. I love exploring Japanese food and sharing it with the world. Today, we are starting a brand new mission series. The first mission is how do we make Shiraga-Negi, fine shredded scallions. Say, Samurai Cat, could you go to a ramen shop and find out how they make those fine scallions shred? Understood. I'll investigate at once. Report to Lord Take. There are 3 steps to cutting the scallions. First, cut them into a manageable size. Next, make it lengthwise slit. Separate the inner core. Third, cut new rectangular scallions piece into thin stripes. Question from the cats. Question number 1. Wait, do they throw away the core? Question number 2. More importantly, can I eat it? Regarding the question 1, we'll get to that later. As for question 2, unfortunately no. Scallions and onions contain compounds that are toxic to cats and dogs, so they should never eat them. What? It smells amazing, but it's forbidden for cats. Okay, let's start. Harvest some scallions from the garden. Wash it and remove the first layer. Of course, harvesting them from the supermarket works too. First, cut them into round about 6 cm long. Next, make a lengthwise slit on one side. Open it up. Samurai Cat was wondering whether to throw the center away, but of course we chopped up the core and use it too. The open scallion forms a rectangle. Slice them lengthwise into thin stripes. Once done, soak them in water. Mission accomplished. Perfect crisp Shiraga-Negi is ready. Use them as a topping for ramen or Chashu pork. Thanks to Samurai Cat's investigation, we are able to make them successfully. With just a little trick, it's easy to do. Give it a try yourself. Just remember, don't throw away the core, chop it up and use it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Forget to use the inner core and don't let the cat eat it.